Antarctic Minke Whale. Antarctic Minke Whale is for blue whale. Blue whale. C is for Cuvier-beaked whale. Cuvier-beaked whale. D is for dwarf sperm whale. Dwarf sperm whale. E is for Eden's whale. Eden's whale. F is for fin whale. Fin whale. G is for gray whale. Gray whale. H is for humpback whale. Humpback whale. I is for Indian Ocean whale. Indian Ocean. J is for Japanese pygmy right whale. Japanese pygmy right whale. K is for killer whale. Killer whale. L is for longfin pilot whale. Longfin pilot whale. M is for minke whale. Minke whale. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. O is for Omaras whale. Omaras whale. P is for pygmy right whale. Pygmy right whale. Q is for quasi whale. Quasi whale. R is for right whale. Right whale. S is for sperm whale. Sperm whale. T is for truth-beaked whale. Truth-beaked whale. U is for urban whale. Urban whale. V is for vaquita. Vaquita. W is for western gray whale. Western gray whale. X is for Ziphiid. Ziphiid. Y is for yearling whale. Yearling whale. Z is for Ziphiid whale. Ziphiid whale.
Under the sea, so much to see, from A to Z.